When the weather warms up, you may find yourself on vacation. Whether you're familiar with the area around you or not, it may be in your best interest to take a moment to observe your surroundings. In particular, watch your step, especially in the water. Jellyfish are beautiful behind glass, and you may be aware of their infamously painful stingers. The daring phylum of animal includes the hydrozoa, the scyphozoa, the cubozoa, and the anthozoa. These simple creatures envenomate their victims by expelling their venom through specialized cells called nematocytes. While envenomations of these animals may seem common, some species have an especially lethal sting. In the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Ocean, the properly named box jellyfish has been known to cause systematic necrotic instances. In the Atlantic and Indo-Pacific Oceans, these symptoms of envenomation are caused by the Portuguese man-of-war. Contrary to popular belief, peeing on a sting from any member of the daring phylum of animals will do little, if anything at all, to quell the pain from their venom. If you find yourself the unfortunate victim encountered with these creatures, you should immediately seek out hot water or vinegar. The venom has been known to succumb to the acidity of vinegar as well as the heat from hot water. Keep in mind, members of this phylum primarily use their venom as defensive mechanisms against large, strange creatures such as yourself. Most phylum of organism encompasses a large variety of possibly toxic animals. These include, but aren't limited to, octopus, squid, snail, and slug. To someone looking to avoid encounters with these unique animals' toxins, it is important to be aware of the venomous and poisonous species in this group. While cone snails from the genus Conus are all venomous, the species Conus geographus is known to have lethal envenomations in humans. Following envenomation, you can expect intense pain and swelling. As symptoms intensify, you may notice changes in vision and muscle weakness. These are signs of systematic envenomation. Medical attention should be sought out immediately. These animals are known for their distinctly cone-shaped shells. If you suspect that you have been stung by one of these deadly creatures, you should immediately seek medical attention. The blue-ringed octopus is another major species of concern from this phylum. This tiny octopus may appear cute, and you may have the undying urge to pick it up for a closer look. They may flash their blue rings as a warning to tell you they are venomous. Their fast-acting venom can immediately result in muscle weakness, nausea, and respiratory arrest, resulting in asphyxiation and death. To avoid any and all musk-associated envenomations, it may be in your best interest to leave any sea creatures you happen to come across during your visit to the beach where you found them. In the event that an octopus or snail is just too cute to leave it be, the immediate response you should take following envenomation is adding pressure to the site. This can help halt or slow down the spread of the venom. Once you've reached medical care, they will work quickly to maintain your blood flow and respiration. There is currently no antivenom, so don't get bitten. One more phylum of sea creature you should maintain visuals for are the echinoderms. These creatures range from our friendly sea star friends to the oblong sea cucumbers. A more well-known perpetrator of envenomation is the sea urchin. The long-spined venomous sea urchin, known as Vana to Hawaiian locals, causes painful envenomation upon puncturing the skin. These sharp creatures are very common, and it's important for everyone to know how to properly take care of a sting. Proper treatment of such a wound includes use of hot water and vinegar to the site of envenomation. This will dissolve any stinger broken off into the victim and activate the venom. If symptoms persist unbearably, medical attention should be sought immediately. Anyone wishing to avoid these types of stings should avoid stepping on corals where the sea urchins can hide, as well as remain vigilant of these spiky creatures when diving and snorkeling. Although we've only gone over a few of the many dangerous toxic sea creatures that lurk in the depths, knowing how to avoid the most common of these volatile marine animals may save you from pain and suffering in the future. Thanks for watching.